Hi everyone, welcome to Miss Calebro's art class. Today we're going to be making these cute little sketchbooks using just a sheet of paper. So one sheet of paper and a pair of scissors. Very simple. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and show you step by step how to build these. The first thing you want to do is you're going to lay your paper long ways. So the horizontal line, the longest line is at the very top and the shortest is on the side. Alright, the first thing you need to do is fold it in half. Get those edges as close to possible as you can. Get those corners and get a nice little crease. So you're going to use your fingers to crease it, or your fingernails, just like that. And now that way when you open it, it's like a card or a book. Alright, so from there we're going to fold it down. So top edge to bottom edge to a nice little crease. And then we're going to fold it one more time, left to right. Edge to edge, give it a nice little crease. Alright, and then once you've done that, you are going to open it once and then twice. You don't want to open it up fully because then you'll have your full paper. You're going to open it just the twice. That way you have 4 squares showing here. And then we're going to go ahead and flip it so it opens at the top and it's closed at the bottom. We want to make sure it opens that way, kind of like a taco would, just because we're going to get ready to cut along the edge. If we're cutting along the edge where it opens, it's not going to quite work out. So I'm going to flip it so where the bottom edge is right along the crease. I'm going to draw a line down the middle, so you're going to go to that middle point so you can see where you're cutting. I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to cut on that line. Right, and then that way when you open it, you have a nice little opening, looks kind of like a mouth there. And we're going to flip it over just like that, back where it's horizontal. Alright, so this is where you're going to go. You're going to take both your fingers, just like that. You're going to pinch it with your 2 fingers on the left side, pinch it with 2 fingers on the right side, and you're going to push this inwards. So you're going to notice the little mouth area is going to go inwards, but we're going to have to go in. We're going to kind of pinch. So I'm going to flip this over, so you can kind of see how this is going inwards. And when you push it, it's going to become a triangle. And we're going to push, push, push till they touch. Attach them just like that, and then fold it in half. And then that way when you're done, you have these little pages in your book. And then there's your sketchbook. And the only other thing you have to do left is make a little note. You could write your name on it, you could decorate it, and start your drawings. Miss Calebro Sketchbook. So have fun with your nice little sketchbooks and do your little drawings. Just like that.